popping, y'all? I'm gonna get straight to this one. I wanted to talk about something that's been on my heart, bro. Why you should be aware of modern women, bro. While you dating, you should always be aware of her attraction level, and why you should always be aware of what it is she's showing you, not what she's saying. None of that extra stuff, bro. I want to talk about S&V for a minute, right? And this gonna all come into focus in a minute. It's gonna be crazy when it click for you, bro. Because when it clicked for me a long time ago, when it's finally clicked for me, it changed the way I looked at dating and changed the way that I started dealing with these women in this modern society, right? So think about it like this, bro. So let's say you got a 9 and a 10, right, on an attraction scale, bro. And the way women date is they date up, right? Women always date up, and men essentially, we date what we can get. Like, so if we can get 9s and 10s, we date 9s and 10s. If we get 6s and 7s, we typically date 6s and 7s, right? This is with like no prior knowledge of the red pill, none of that extra stuff, none of that, right? And so when you think about it, she dates up and she goes for, let's say she's a 5 on the attraction scale, bro. She's gonna shoot, she's punching for a 6 or 7 on a man's SMV. So whenever men get into a relationship with women, they always dating a woman who has this thought in her head that his SMV is higher than hers, right? Initially. So she goes out, she pursues him, and this is how it ideally should go. She pursued this man, she put forth the effort, etc., etc. You know, the men got to do their part, etc., but that ain't what we talking about right now. And then eventually they get into a relationship, right? The minute that man get into a relationship with that woman, now her mind has gotten to a place where she feels as if his SMV is equal to hers because she was able to get this man. That's why women in our society nowadays, that's why these modern women are so fucking delusional, bro. They're so delusional because guys who have an SMV of 6 or 7, 8 or 9 are dating women with an SMV of, like 8 or 9 guys are dating women with an SMV of 7 and 8, 6 and 7. And it's because women are punching up, bro. And so when they punch up like that and they get these guys who are above them in a weight class, they convince themselves that, oh, we're in the same ballpark. And they have logical reason to think like that, bro. Because they like, oh, well, I could get this dude, so that sets the standard for me, right? So now you got this 7 running around here thinking that she can have all these standards because she was able to punch weight with a 9 on the S&V scale. But see, the reason why this is so effed up, bro, is because men and women's S&V scales are different, bro. Women's sexual market value is not based on the amount of options she has. She will always have a bunch of options in her inbox, bro. That will always be a thing for her. Her S&V is on her looks, bro. Her S&V is on what she brings to the table values-wise. Her S&V is like determined by essentially what society says she is. If society says she a bad bitch, then that's what she is. You feel me? As opposed to a guy, his S&V is determined by his resources, bro. His fitness level, his what he add in life, bro. All of these things, bro, and not so much his looks, bro. That's why it's so important that you guys get on your grind and make sure you out here slapping shit. Like, that's why it's so important to do that, bro. Because you're talking about when you get to the S&V of like, when you get, like, let me stop saying that word. When you get there, right? When you get to a man of stature, bro, and you got status and everything, bro, that just increases the quality of woman that you could get, bro. That just increases the type of woman that's gonna look your way. Because let's be honest, women always punching up because they delusionally think, bro, they're delusional. They're gonna be delusional because society has made them delusional. Society has told women they always right. Society tell these women, these fat women who don't even Like, bro, go get in the gym. They tell these women, oh, you're beautiful. You can go out here and you can get any man you want to. And guess what happens? You got 1,000 dudes in her inbox like, yeah, I like BBWs, bro. Bro, she not a BBW. She just fat, bro. She just fat. She look like a beach whale who was on a boat, who was having a bulking contest. But you got these thousands of dudes who essentially punching down, bro, below their weight class in this woman inbox, validating her every single day, telling this woman that, hey, you can punch above your weight class because these are the options you have. These are the guys presenting themselves to you. These are the guys telling you that you can have them, right? And so that's what she thinks in her mind. So that creates these delusional, like, fucking thoughts in her head that tells her, well, that must be the quality of guy that I can get. I can get this dude who make 6 figures. I can get this dude who muscular and all of that. Because these simps who in my inbox, a couple of them might have money. A couple of them might be muscular. A couple of them might have this or that. But they mindset put them in the simp category. We done all seen a dude, right? And we done thought who done had like an ugly girlfriend or a girl who just, you know, he could do better than that. You like, bro, you could do better than that. You definitely could do better than that. But here's the thing though. His mindset won't allow him to do better, bro. Probably where he at in life won't allow him to do better. And I bet if you really look at that man, you can see exactly why he with that woman below his weight class. But it's because these guys are doing things like this, bro. It's because guys not working on themselves, getting on their passion, fashion, slapping shit, bro. Guys who not pushing and not on their stuff, guys who not doing that, they getting these women who below their weight class because that's all that they feel like they could get. Because think about it, women punch up. If you a 7 and you could be a 9, bro, but you at a 7 because you ain't working on yourself, then you only really gonna get the 5s and 6s punching up to you, bro. And that's how that's gonna work. See, the thing is, 3% of guys, bro, get the 9s and 10. The guys who high value, the guys who got like worked on themselves, got it together, and can appeal to those 9s and 10s where they feel like they punching up to these guys, bro. The quickest way to take advantage of the fact that these women are delusional, that modern women are delusional, and to have hella success with women, bro, the quickest way to do that and to take advantage of that is to understand this principle, bro, and understand women want to punch up. So you always want to appear better than her, bro. Patrice O'Neal said it, bro. Patrice O'Neal, one of the people who said it, bro. You always want to be better than her, bro. You always want to have a mindset that, hey, I'm better than you, bro. So she's always validating herself. You don't want to be validating her. She got to validate herself. So she always feel like she punching up, dog. You always want to make that woman feel like she punching up. The only way you could do that is if you got the confidence to feel like she punching up, bro. That's why you work on yourself. That's why you do the self-improvement. That's why you out here slapping shit, bro. So get out here and slap shit, bro. Hit the subscribe button, man. I'm up out of here. It's your boy Caden the Rake, man.